Chico the plug working a V6 Honda. Engine mounts back. Look at that shit. Look at it. Look at it. Right here. Just showing you how does the engine looks. Look good. Correct. Okay. This is what engine looks on a Honda V6.